We have seen all over the state that seniors can be subject to being defrauded and duped by what I call the senior scammers. And increasingly, what we've seen in our department, we have had many, many complaints about the sale of annuity products. Now, an annuity is not a bad product, but it is not appropriate in many situations in which these bad actors are trying to convince you to purchase one. And so I've been fighting back. And what did we do? We put together some legislation to put more teeth into the law so that these guys can't just keep doing the same bad thing over and over again. And we had Republicans and Democrats working together on this. And the legislation that we prepared passed the Senate unanimously last year. But here's the bad news. We didn't get past first base in the House. And that's because the special interest, the people who didn't want to see more teeth in the law, were able to get to just a couple of legislators and convince them to block this really good set of legislation, these good ideas that we believe would put more teeth in the law and put some of these bad guys actually behind bars, as opposed to just slapping their hands and giving them a little fine. I don't quit, though. I'm a fighter. And we've tried this twice, and I'm back there again for the third time this year, and that's why this week we are going all around the state. So you and other seniors in 11 locations around the state are going to hear about what can happen and hear about our legislation, and we're going to continue to work with our legislators to get the right, to tell them they need to do the right thing for our seniors and stop listening to these special interests who don't want to be held accountable.